Skipper, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Second home game of the season. On Sunday, we couldn't pick the maximum points. What did you pick from that game, and what do you think you need to correct ahead of this game?
Okay, well, thank you for this opportunity. Going into this match, we are very focused on winning, and for the past game, which was on Sunday, I think that there were a lot of positives which we took, and going into this match, I think that we are going to implement it, and at all costs, we are going to win.
Were you disappointed as being confirmed the captain and then leading your charges to the game, and for the first time you were hoping to at least pick a win from a very difficult ground game? Were you disappointed that you couldn't defend the lead that you took?
Yes, I was very disappointed after the match because we spoke to ourselves. We wanted to make history for ourselves. Playing at that grounds wasn't an easy game, but going into it, we were so much confidence in ourselves. We spoke to each other. We believed in whatever we practiced at the training ground. So we were a bit disappointed with the results because, as you can see, we deserved all the win, but it's quite unfortunate we didn't win. So I think that for the playing body, we were not satisfied with the results that came up. Yeah.
What's the mood like ahead of this game, knowing that you've gone 2 games without a win and the supporters are eager for a victory finally, and then seeing us climb up the table? How is the mood like? Your boys, their body language ahead of this game?
Well, we know there is much expected from us. As it said, that whom much is given, much is expected. So the fans are expecting, the supporters are expecting a lot from us, and we are also expecting a lot from ourselves. So going into this match is a win game. It's a win game. We are very determined, we are very focused, and we have to do this for them because we are not playing at Babayara, we are playing in Obuasi, and our cherished supporters come all the way from those places, some from Takrady and all that, to watch, and we can't afford to disappoint them once again. So we are assuring them of victory tomorrow.
The next opponent is quite tricky because last season we lost at home to them. We lost 6 points to them, and they've had an experience of playing in Africa. How does that play into your preparation into this game? What sort of approach do you think, based on your own experience as a player playing in Africa, having had a setback at home losing to them? What sort of mentality and approach do you guys build yourself to?
Okay, well, it's not going to create any negative impact on us. We are really focused. Yes, whatever happened last season has already happened, and we are in a new season. We have a new set of players. We have some new part of the technical team. So we are going to approach the game as we have to, and we are believing that we are going to win. So I think that what is past is past. We are in a new season, and whatever we need to do to ensure we win tomorrow, I think that we are going to do it. Yeah.
There's been some level of criticism as to your team's inability to bury the chances that comes your way. How frustrating is it for you, and do you admit that at some point you need to do more just to kill games and then convert the chances that come to you?
Yeah, sometimes it's very disappointing. We are not able to score more goals, but as you can see, the training grounds, the coaches are working so hard. We have been practicing goal scoring each and every single day. So we, the players, we are confident in what they are teaching us, and we are confident in them, we are confident in ourselves. So I believe that we will take it game by game as we practice on the field from tomorrow. I think there's going to be an improvement because we trust in ourselves, we trust in our strikers, we trust in every department of the team. So going forward, I think that there's going to be a difference.
What will be your final message to the fans who you would want to see tomorrow? Because with them, I think you perform better. So Your message to them ahead of tomorrow.
Well, to our cherished supporters, tomorrow's match is going to be a great game for us, and it's quite unfortunate that you've not been able to win our first game here, but we are promising you guys that tomorrow we are going to win. We are going to put up a much better performance. We are going to do our best as a team to come together and play. So we are urging all of them to come and support us as they have always been doing, because we trust in them. Without them, we are not there. So I am believing that with their support here, we are going to win and we are going to make them happy as well.
Thank you very much, Fred, and wish you the best.
All right.